So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup inspired by Winnie the Pooh. So let's get started. I'm going to put my serum from under the bangs of my eyes. And I'm going to put all over my eyes. So it could be bye-bye on the bags. In this clip, I'm going to put my moisturizer on. Put my concealer on, and is this kind of like almost close to my skin tone, but it's not really my skin tone. It's like almost like it looks tan. I'm gonna put that all over my face. Now I'm gonna spray the dewy glow on this sponge, and I'm gonna be blending that in.
What you understood and say goodbye.
Now I'm gonna put my Tarte Shape concealer on. I'm gonna put on my under eyes and my other eyes so it can lift up my eyes. I'm gonna put on the bridge of my teeth zone, my nose, and my chin. Then I'm gonna be blending that in. Next, I'm going to go in with a setting powder. I got done with my other setting powder. I'm using this setting powder that I got in a makeup set by FX Makeup. And I'm going to be... Now, I'm going to go in with my powder blush. I'm going to go in with this purple. Gotta put to my cheeks, my nose, and a little bit on my chin. So let's put that on. Now I'm gonna go in with this purple powder to brighten under my eyes, my chin, and the bridge of my T-zone and the side of my nose too. Now I'm gonna let this bake. Now I am going to brush away the powder that I let it bake.
You take my
eyeshadow time. Now I'm gonna go in with this Morphe collab with James Charles. I'm gonna go in with this natural base color.
It is fine, doesn't make me so blind. You just waste a lot of time.
Next, I'm going to go in with this red eyeshadow in the palette. And I'm going to put on the top of my eyelids where my eyebrow is. Now I'm going to do a cut crease. Sorry, I got black eyeshadow over my fingers. I'm going to do a cut crease. Let's blend that thing. Back in the eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with this bright yellow that I'm going to be putting on, that I did the cut crease on. Back in the eyeshadow, I'm going to go with this lighter yellow tone on top of the bright yellow eyeshadow on. Back in the eyeshadow palette, I'm going to go on with this pinkish red on top of the red eyeshadow I have on. Next eyeshadow palette is I'm going to go in with this Bratz eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go in with this golden yellow glitter on the cut crease I did. gonna go with this white, hint a little bit of gold on top of the, not brown, but red eyeshadow. Back in the James Charles palette, I'm gonna go with this kind of like a reddish but brown one to do like an eyeliner. Back in the James Charles palette, I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit darker, and in this clip, I got this darker red in the Bratz eyeshadow palette. With that, I will darken the eyeliner I did. In the same brush, I will go with the color under my eyes. And in this clip, I will use the same color I use on my eyelids to put under my eyes. Now let's copy and paste. 1, 2, 3. Bam! Now let's do my mascara. For the mascara I use is Sky High in the color black. I use a spoolie to brush out my lashes. I use a random lip liner to make the eyeliner dark. Now let's do highlighter. I don't know the name of this highlighter because the name is faded out. Now I showed you where I'm going to place the glitter. I use NK lip liner in the color Plum. This e.l.f. lip stain in the color Berry Queen. I don't know the name of this brand, but in the color Wine Shine. This e.l.f. lip balm in the color is Static. I forgot to film me putting my lip gloss on. Now I'm going to put on this spray, this scented spray, Dewy Glow Fix Spray. I hope you like the story. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share.